Hey, what's good, fam? It's your boy Jacuzzi coming back at you with another product update from D.Buzz. Today, we're going to take a look at the much requested feature that enables sharing from D.Buzz to Twitter. The process is pretty simple and only requires a couple of clicks. Let's dive in. First, what we're going to do is create a new buzz. Clicking the buzz, I'm going to upload an image. Through our convenient system, I made a little meme that I want to use here. After it is uploaded, I can add any sort of text that I want to this particular post. In this case, do you know you can now share D.Buzz posts directly to Twitter with 2 clicks? It's true. Check it out, the 3 dots in your post. When I'm happy with my post, I'm going to add a couple of tags. When I'm happy with my tags, I'm going to go down here and click Buzz It. After your buzz has been posted, you'll see it on your screen. Scroll on down a little bit, and at the bottom you'll notice these 3 dots right here. This is where you want to go. I'm going to click this, and I have an option now to edit my buzz or buzz it to Twitter. This text may change in a little bit, but the feature will remain the same. Click Buzz to Twitter, and just as long as you are logged into your Twitter account, you'll see this window pop up, enabling you to share the buzz directly with Twitter. Oh, here it all is, pulled in directly. The only thing is it gives you an image link and not the direct image itself, and that's just a simple click and upload of the image again. Also, be sure to note that it doesn't provide a link back to the buzz itself, as this would eat up a lot of your character space. We want to make sure you have complete control over what you want. Also, be sure to note that it does include this Hive hashtag here, so people know that it is coming from Hive. Whenever you are ready, just come up here to your tweet button and click that, and away you go. If you go to your Twitter account and scroll down to your first post, you should now see the buzz that you just put shared directly from D.Buzz to Twitter. That easy, and only took a couple of seconds. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comments section. Or feel free to join us on Discord and join the conversation with our team. We're always very excited to hear what you guys come up with as far as features and ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Peace!